Hey Fishdom fans, want to level up your aquarium but need more gems? No worries. Today I am showing you the fastest way to buy gems in Fishdom. Let's dive in. First, open Fishdom. Once you are in, tap the gem icon at the top right. That's your treasure chest of possibilities. Next, pick your pack. Want a few gems or are you going full Fishdom millionaire? Select the one that fits your budget and needs. Select payment method. You can pay using credit card, PayPal or App Store. Confirm your purchase. Follow the on-screen prompt to complete your payment. Enjoy your gems. Once the purchase is successful, gem will be added to your account instantly. Now you can use them to buy boosters, decoration or speed up progress. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can buy gems in Fishdom. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.